How to label AI generated content on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So here's how to label AI generated content on TikTok. So TikTok's guidelines require creators to disclose when content is made using AI. A new feature prompts creators to label videos and photos created with AI. So in order to go ahead and label the AI generated content, ensure that you have the latest version of TikTok installed. Update the app via Play Store or App Store according to your device, and then upload a video as usual first. Once you've selected the video, remember to only label videos generated by AI, not regular videos. So after selecting your video, tap on Next in the bottom. Now on the description page, tap on More Options, and under Advanced Setting, find the AI generated content and toggle the switch to enable it. Tap on Turn On. This indicates that the content was generated or significantly edited by AI. So if your video is AI generated or edited, enable this option before uploading. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.